Welcome to Deliciously Divine Kitchen at the Brahmakumari's Center. And today I'm making special crispy vegetable fritters. And in India we call it pakoras or bhajia. So today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable fritters. And for this, especially to make it crispy and vegetable fritters, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we need for pakoras fritters. First thing we need is sifted chickpea flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you can't find chickpea flour, but it's very easy to get it at the Indian store. But if you can't find it, all-purpose flour is perfect. So I'm going to show you the measurement and all the ingredients step by step. So what I did, I took the flour like this and sifted in this bowl like this, and you just sift the flour. What happens is when you sift the flour, it makes it nice and smooth batter without any lumps. So you do want to take this step. Then I have 2 tablespoonful rice flour, and this rice flour makes it crispy from outside. I have a very small florets of cauliflower like this. You want to separate. And then I have 1 large medium sweet potato, thinly sliced, you can see, and you want to keep it in water. When you're ready to fry, then you take the water out. You also want to, I also have here white large or medium size potato. Then I have 1 zucchini sliced. Here I have 2 medium green tomatoes and also thinly sliced. Fried green tomatoes, delicious. For seasoning, for fresh herbs, I use cilantro and generous amount, about half a cup of cilantro. Then I have freshly 2 tablespoonful ginger grated. I'm going to go through spices now. I have a half a teaspoon of ground coriander powder. I like it a little bit hot, so I use chili powder. If you don't like it hot, you can use a little bit black pepper too, but I like it chili powder. Then I have a half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and then 1 teaspoonful salt to make batter. We're going to see how much water we need. I'm not going to give you measurement for the water. I'm going to show you how to make a batter and what consistency we need for this pakora. Okay, so here I have a chickpea flour sifted, and I'm going to add rice flour 2 tablespoonful into this dry ingredient flour. Okay, and mix it. Then I will put salt, all the dry seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili, and coriander powder. And I want to mix all this together, all the dry ingredient. At this point, I'm going to put ginger in here, 2 tablespoons. Ginger is delicious, and cilantro. Now I'm going to add water in here. Keep on mixing, and it's going to make a thick batter. Not too thick, not too runny. So you slowly add water, not all water at once and then mixing it. And then see how does it look? It looks a little thick. See how it's changing? Now you add more water. Okay. You want to make a batter where you can coat all these vegetables that we have: cauliflower, potato, sweet potato, and green tomato. You should coat on the vegetable and then you deep fry. So batter is looking good. Okay, see, it's getting smooth. I'm going to add a little more water. Okay, I think it looks just right. That is what you want to have. Not runny, but thick enough that you can coat the spoon. That's how you know that it's just the right consistency for this batter. I have a stove on a high heat and I have oil in a frying pan because we're going to deep fry this crispy fritters. First, I'm going to show you what I did. I took the water out of the potatoes and put it in a plate to show you. I'm going to make all this one by one. So first I put this in a batter. So let me try with the cauliflower. So I put this in a batter, and you can use your hand or you can just do it like this and keep a spoon with you. So I believe in cleaning. Keep it clean. So this is how you do it. I'm going to turn it because the oil is hot. So it needs to little turn it so it can cook on both sides, outside and inside. And because this oil is hot, it cooks through, and this is how it looks, cauliflower. See, you can see that it is cauliflower. Okay, so you dip this potato and then gently you put it in oil. Be careful when you do this. You don't want any accident happen. See, it's cooking and frying at the same time. Did you notice I lower the heat? Because cauliflower is thick and potato is thinly sliced. So it doesn't need very much heat and it cooks fast. So this is potato fritter. Crispy, it looks crispy. And this is the color you want, not burn. Tomatoes, green tomatoes, fried green tomatoes fritter. Yum yum. Okay, you know I don't want dripping, so I'm going to use this spoon for a guide. Here, there. These are fried green tomatoes. They look so good. So these are zucchini in the frying pan. So we did cauliflower, white potato, sweet potato, and fried green tomatoes. And this is zucchini on a side here. And I hope you make this simple, crispy vegetable fritter. If you want to call pakora, fine with me. Thank you very much for inviting us in your home.